Hello ladies, today I will be showing you how to make this beautiful hair tulle bow. The supplies you'll need is tulle, a lot of tulle. I like to use this crochet classic thread because it holds the bow in place, and I love working with this just for my tulle bows. And that's about it really. Let me go ahead and start, and I'll go ahead and show you how to put on the clip on the back. Okay, so what you'll need to do is grab your tulle. I've done this for a while, so I don't use a ruler or anything. I just kind of like, you know, I know how big I want my bow, so it just depends. My hands are, it just depends. So how you want it. So I know this one's gonna be for Haley, so Haley loves big hair bows. Okay, so like this one here, I made this one for her, but she wants the MK in the center. So I'll be doing a blue MK for her on this video. So I just kind of go ahead and fold, tap on the sides. And then you just keep on going. Just lay over. Flip, lay over. And you keep doing that until it's thick enough for you, and you okay, so now what you do is, okay, you flip it and then you cut the sides about less than an inch, okay? Not too much. Just kind of make the edges, just cut the edges just a little bit. Okay, I don't fold like this, but I will show you an easy way to fold. Okay, hang on to the center, fold, and there you go. See? That's how you do it. Okay, and then you just tie. Just be careful you don't cut that other tool. Alright, so here is your bow. Like if you want, I'll show you how to make now a little one, like this one, but small, okay? Okay, so if you want to make a little one, you do the same thing. Okay, see how that's not straight? Oh, you can cut it straight, or you can just kind of, you can cut it straight, or you can just go and make your own straight line. Right there. See? Over and flip. And you do this until you are satisfied with the thickness of the tulle. I'm happy with this. Cut, flip. And so since you want a smaller, you just cut a little more than you cut the other one, because Okay. Let's see, you want to make sure that's straight. Okay, and the same thing on the small one. You fold, boom, like that, fold, and then you tie. Okay, so now let's stack them together. So, okay, let's see. We'll do white. And I use my glue gun for this part. Don't try to like tie it at this moment, because you don't want to like tie it and then like you look at it and then one side's like the top tool slides the other way. So you just want to hold it. Okay. And then you can tie it whenever the glue is dry. And then you want to, if you want to add a third layer, I mean, it's up. I'm going to be using this MK ribbon. If you're interested in this ribbon, I will leave the link below. I do sell, I have it in gold, baby blue. This one, I'm almost sold out of this. And you just make your little bow. I mean, it just depends. Also, you can make a pinwheel bow, you can make a loop bow, you know, whatever you want. I mean, that go on top, just kind of like this, simple. Glue on the back, press. You want to press. Just hold. Okay, now that it's dry, we can go ahead and add the clip. So, what I do is I add glue on the clip, and I just add it to the bow and let it dry. Okay. While that dries, I go ahead and grab my ribbon. Okay. You just let it dry, but I'm gonna go ahead and add the ribbon. Like that. And you press on it down. See? Put a lot of pressure. And I go ahead and add glue again to the ribbon. Just a little bit, not too much. Open the clip under the clip. Okay. Heat and seal. Just be careful. And then you put some glue. And that's it. Okay. You can use your hot glue. I'll use hot glue for this one. Or, for my customers, I like to use my E600. Just because it's durable, it won't come off. Then now if you want, you can add rhinestones to the sides, like this one. Just add whatever you want to your bow. Decorate it however you like. Okay, and there you go. Whoa. Almost forgot. Almost forgot. Details. Almost forgot. Okay, and now you heat seal the edges. Always heat seal the edges. And there you go.